Hey dear learners, welcome back to e-learning platform of GS College of Commerce, Varda. I'm Assistant Professor Rajeshwari Sharma and this lecture is for the BCom exam for subject Advanced Statistics. So here today in this lecture we are going to deal with the type 2 problem of regression analysis. In previous lectures as well we have dealt with many type 2 problem of the regression analysis. In each and every problem we have seen some new concept. In this problem as well we have a new concept. But the G's theme is only that how to go for the calculation of the regression equation when the standard deviation is given in the problem. So let's start with the problem. First of all, we have to read it and we have to interpret it. So let's read. Following data for 563 candidates are given for marks in statistics and financial accounting. So basically here we have been given a data for the 563 candidates. Data of what? Data of marks in two subjects, that is statistics and financial accounting. Okay. So here we will consider financial accounting subject as X variable and statistics subject as Y variable. Okay. And what is the meaning of N? N means the number of observation, number of items, right? So here we have been given the data of 563 candidates, means we have 563 items or the 563 observations. Okay, that is why N would be equals to 563. Okay, then we have been given mean marks in financial accounting is equals to 50. We have considered financial accounting subject as X. Okay, so mean of X series means AX. So it is given 50. After that, mean marks in statistics subject. We have considered statistics subject as Y. Mean marks in statistics subject means mean of Y series. So AY is equals to 60. Then standard deviation of marks in financial accounting subject. So it is SD of X, that is 15. Okay. Standard deviation of marks in statistics, it's 20. So SD of Y is equals to 20. Why SD of X? Because financial accounting is X. Why SD of Y? Because statistics is Y. Okay. The sum of product of deviation of marks from their respective means are marks from their respective means are 105188. Earlier, when we used to be given two series in the problem and with the help of that series we had to calculate the mean. We are about to calculate the mean. So what we used to do, we used to make the different columns in preparation chart, like first of all X, then dx, then dx square, then y, then dy, then dy square, then dx and dy. This way we used to prepare the different columns. So here what we have been given, sum of product of deviation of marks from their respective means. Means here we have been given the value of this summation dx dy directly. Here we have been given direct information, that is why we do not have to prepare this column. We do not have to prepare this table. Okay, we have been given this information directly. Which information? Summation dx dy. So summation dx dy is equals to 105188, means 1,05,188. Okay, so this way we have been given this information in the problem. Now with the help of this information, what we have to find? We have to find the lines of regression, means two lines of regression, x on y and y on x, and after that marks in statistics when marks in financial accounting is given. So marks in statistics means y when the x is given, when x is 63. So basically we have to do all these things in this problem. We have interpreted the problem. Now we will start with the solution. So whenever the standard deviation is given in the problem, so what is the formula to calculate the regression coefficient of x on y and the regression coefficient of y on x? Regression coefficient of x on y. What is the formula is there when the standard deviation is given in the problem? dxy is equals to r into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Okay, so here we have standard deviation of x, we have standard deviation of y, but can you find r is given in the problem? So of course r is not given in the problem, and that is why we have to calculate the r. Okay, how are we going to calculate the r when the standard deviation is given in the problem? So formula to calculate r when the standard deviation is given in the problem is r is equals to n into summation, r is equals to summation dx dy upon n into standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. What is the value of summation dx dy? Here it's given 105,188. What is the value of n? 563 given in the problem. What is the value of summation dx? 15. What is the value of summation dy? 20. So 105,188 upon 563 into 15 into 20. 563 into 15 into 20. So it comes to 1,68,900. 1,68,900. So 1,05,188 divided by 1,68,900. It comes to 0.62. Okay, we are taking up to 2 decimal point. So 0.62. So here we have got the value of r as well. Now we can proceed for calculation of the regression coefficient, and with the help of regression coefficient, lines of regression and the regression equation as well. Okay, so regression coefficient of x on y, r 0.62 we have calculated. Standard deviation of x given in the problem 15. Standard deviation of y given in the problem 20. So 0.62 into 15 divided by 20. 0.62 into 15 divided by 20. So it comes to 0.75. 0.62 into 0.75. It comes to 0.465. So here regression coefficient of x on y is 0.465. Okay. This way we have got the value of dxy. Now what is the next thing that we have to do? We have to find out the regression equation. Regression equation of x on y. Okay. Regression equation of x on y. Here what is going to be the formula? X minus ax is equals to bxy into y minus ay. Now we are going to put the values in formula. X would be as it is. Ax means mean of x series, means mean marks in financial accounting. So it comes to 50. bxy, value of bxy we have calculated 0.465. Y would be as it is. Value of ay means mean mark in statistics. We have been given ay 60. Okay. This way we have put the value. Now x minus 50 is equals to 0.465y. Then 0.465 into minus 60. Okay, plus into minus minus. So 0.465 into minus 60. So it will come to minus 27.9. Minus 27.9. Then now we have to find the value of x. Okay, we have to derive the equation for finding the value of x. So x is equals to 0.465y minus 27.9 plus 50. Why plus 50? Because we are shifting it on other side. And when the value is shifted on other side, so the sign gets changed. That is why plus 50. Then x is equals to 0.465y minus 27.9 plus 50. Minus plus plus and sign of big number, that is plus. So 50 minus 27.9, it comes to plus 22.1. Plus 22.1. This way we have derived the regression equation of x on y. It can be used to find out the value of x if the y is given in the problem. But here we haven't been given y in the problem, so we do not need to find the value of x when the y is given in the problem. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate other regression equation, that is regression equation of y on x. For that, first of all, we have to calculate regression coefficient of regression coefficient of y on x. Okay. So for this, what is the formula? For this we have b by x is equals to r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. Then what is the value of r? We have calculated 0.62. What is the value of standard deviation of y? 20. What is the value of standard deviation of x? 15. 0.62 into 20 divided by 15. 20 divided by 15. It comes to 1.33. We are going to consider up to two decimal point. So 0.62 into 1.33. 0.62 into 1.33. So it comes to 0.8246. Okay. 0.8246. 0.8246. So here we have got the value of b by x, that is the regression coefficient of y on x. Now what we have to do? We have to go for calculating regression equation of y on x. What is the formula for that? Y minus ay is equals to b by x into x minus ax. Okay. Y would be as it is. What is the value of ay? That is the mean of y series, mean of statistics. So it is 60. Okay. 60. B by x, we have calculated the value 0.8246. X would be as it is. What is the value of ax? Value of ax is 50. Means mean mark in financial accounting. 50. Okay. Then y minus 60 is equals to 0.8246 into x would be 0.8246x. Then 0.8246 into minus 50. Plus into minus minus. So 0.8246 into minus 50 would be minus 41.23. Okay. Then we are going to keep y over here, because we have to calculate the regression equation of y on x, which can be used to find out the value of y when the x is given. That is why y is equals to 0.8246x minus 41.23 plus 60. Why plus 60? Because we are taking this value on the other side, and when the value goes on other side, so the sign changes. Okay. So y is equals to 0.8246x minus plus minus and the sign of big number, that is why plus. So 60 minus 41.23. So it comes to 18.77. 18.77. So here what we have got? We have got the regression equation of y on x. By using this regression equation, we can find out the value of y when the value of x is available. Okay. So see the second thing that we have to find out in problem. What we have to find out? Marks in statistics when the marks in financial accounting is 63. We have considered marks in statistics as y. Okay. We have considered marks in financial accounting as x. Here we have been given marks in financial accounting means we have been given x. What is the value of x? 63. What we have to find? We have to find the marks in statistics. Okay. So that is why here we have to find the y. That is why we are going to use this regression equation of y on x. So y is equals to 0.8246x plus 18.77. So y is equals to 0.8246x. What is the value of x? 63. So instead of x, here we will place 63 plus 18.77. Then y is equals to 0.8246 into 63. It comes to 51.9498 plus 18.77. So here y would be 51.9498 plus 18.77. So it comes to 70.7198. 70.7198. So when the marks in the financial accounting is 63, so marks in the statistics would be equals to 70.7198. Okay, 7198. So this way here we have calculated the things which have been asked in the problem. So keep revising this problem. What is new in this problem? Here we have not been given r in the problem, so we have calculated the value of r as well with the help of given information. So this way we have completed this problem. We have completed this problem over here. In next lecture we are going to meet with a new problem. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay thirsty for the knowledge. Keep going through the YouTube lectures. Stay tuned to us. Thank you so much.